let's learn the 1 times table. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 10 is 10. Great job! Let's quickly say them together. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 10 is 10. Time for a quick quiz. Ready? What is 1 times 4? That's right, 4. What is 1 times 7? You got it, 7. And what is 1 times 10? Yes, 10. Hop on the math train again for more fun learning. See you next time in the next video. Bye.